Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. For those of y'all who follow me on Instagram at YesBreeYes, y'all know that I just recently got some brand new sister locks installed in my head. So those of y'all who've been following me for a while, y'all know that I cut my hair back in December of 2020. I didn't shave my head clean, but my hair was only about an inch long. So I've been growing it out over these past couple years, doing braids and twist outs and just allowing my hair to grow and flourish. I knew I was ready when I came to a point where I stopped wanting to wear wigs and braids and I just started letting my hair do its thing and stop caring about what other people thought. On the week leading up to my Sister Locks establishment, I went ahead and put some crazy twists in my hair to, get that nice little twist out going and everything like that. And I just rolled that out for a few days until it was time. So my loctician had me to shampoo my hair, no conditioning, no oils, no grease, no nothing, and just have it completely dry and ready to go. She was done with my hair in 12 and a half hours. It just took her 2 days, and she did a majority of it in the first day. And y'all, when I say I'm just so in love with my hair, like it is not even really giving scalpy since I let it grow for about 2 years, and it was a little bit longer than this, but I would say a month prior to me getting my locks, I did go ahead and get my hair trimmed so that my locks can be somewhat even. And yeah, y'all, I'm just out here just enjoying the ride, and I just can't wait to see how my locks grow and flourish. And then a thing happened. I wanted to trade in all of my heat tools, all of my methods of burning and damaging my hair. Look at this one. This one is wrapped in velvet as if that's supposed to protect my hair from it getting burned. That never worked. And then look at this one. I used to fry my little edges off with this one, thinking I was cute or something with my little micro links. I used to fry my edges with this one too. This thing go all the way up to 450. Who wants to put 450 degrees on their scalp? That's crazy. Why was I doing this? That's insane. Throw it away. Look at this big old curly. I never use this ever, like not once. Okay. This was my favorite ponytail, y'all. I just love that wet and wavy look. That was just so me, but it's time to go. Oh my God, y'all. Them ombre braids, y'all. Oh well, time to let it go. And I know all of us, we all have that one little bundle of leftover braiding hair stuffed in the back of the closet somewhere, ready to go. You be cutting it in half, trying to make more braids out of the thing. Like, nah, sis, time to let it go. Ooh, look at these wet and wavy, deep wave crochet braids. Oh my goodness. My favorite. This is my favorite hairstyle ever in life. This is probably that one hairstyle of my life that I will miss. Yay! We made it halfway through. I gotta throw away this spray bottle because we ain't gonna need that no more. Ooh, wait a minute now, because this conditioner costs almost $20. These hair products are so expensive. I'm so glad that I'm getting rid of them. Oh, y'all. Detangler, no more. We ain't detangling nothing else over here. I'm not about to be wrestling with my hair for 4 hours before I take a shower and wash it. Like, no, those days are over. It's not gonna be piercing my locks with these. Don't need this leave-in. Don't need this deep conditioner. Don't need this do-grow grease or this oil sheen that had my hair juicy one day and crunchy the next day. I also don't need this cheap grease or this expensive grease. Now it's time to hold myself accountable. I wanted y'all to actually see footage of me taking this bag to the garbage can so that y'all can know that I am done. I'm leaving this in the past. I'm digging the grave for this, and we is just done. Yeah. So now I'm gonna show you guys some of the products that I will actually be using going forward now that I have Sister Locks. First thing is gonna be this rose water. I put this inside of a spray bottle and I dilute it with regular tap water. and I use this to spritz my hair. This spray bottle is better than the last one that I just threw away because it won't oversaturate my locks. I also use these scrunchy things. I really like them because they're good for like curly hair and locks. I use these little cotton elastics to help me with braiding and banding, and I got them in black because I know that there's going to be times when I wash my hair and it ain't going to be dry all the way, but I probably need to go to the store or something, so I'm probably going to be able to just throw it up into a quick style. And this is my little bonnet that I will now have to use so that my hair doesn't get oversaturated when I take a shower. And so now I'm just gonna take down my little scrunchies and show y'all this grid. Yes, let's get into it. Again, it's not really giving scalpy, which is what I was hoping for. I'm so grateful that I did not lose a lot of hair during homelessness, because that's one thing that I was really worried about. Because I remember when I was a parole officer and I was really stressed out, my hair was falling out left and right. And this situation was even more stressful than that, and I ain't lose no hair at all. Like, I wasn't suffering from breakage or nothing. Like, my hair was thriving during homelessness, and I'm so glad. So I went ahead and put a different shirt on so y'all can get this little length check. As y'all can see, the shrinkage is too real. My hair is on average 6 inches long, and like I said before, it was a lot longer before I went and got it trimmed. But you know, it's still long enough to not be looking like, you know, I don't know. I mean, I don't really feel that there's an ugly phase with locks. I feel like with our natural hair, it just is what it is. It's going to grow back. You know, a lot of us are transitioning and doing a new thing and going on a new journey, and that's encouraged. I just love it when people just come to a place in their life where they start to embrace, you know, their natural hair texture that grows out of their scalp. But that's not to say anything against anybody who relaxes their hair. More power to you, sis. It's just my hair can't stand that. Yes, shake what the Holy Spirit gave ya. This hair just makes me so happy. So now I'm gonna show y'all the first style that I did the day after I got my locks in. I had to go to church, so I just wanted to throw in a quick style, which I could have just wore it as is, but I definitely just wanted to do something to it. So I put one of these clips in on either side and then just did a little fringe in the front. My loctician gave me a part on my left side, so we just gonna ride that out until it's long enough to do a middle part, which is ultimately the style that I want to do. It's just not necessarily long enough to do a middle part and look cute. Well, it looked cute, but it just looked crazy for right now. So we gonna put the crazy away for right now. So yep, just gonna put another clip on the other side to make it a little bit even, and I make sure that it's not pulling tight against my lock, because I don't want to put any tension on my scalp and just make my scalp hurt for no reason, because your scalp ain't supposed to be hurting with locks in. Then I have this little even edge control that I actually do not like at all, because it leaves white residue on my hair after a few hours, and I really hate that. Like, that just looks so ghetto to me. So if y'all have some recommendations for edge control that stays shiny throughout the day or just stays dry without drying white, please link it below. And this is just me giving you a full 360, you know what I'm saying? And this here is oud oil that I do like to put in my scalp. I ain't gonna put it in right now because I already put it in this morning. But yes, I do oil my scalp because I have a very serious dandruff problem, and my scalp not about to be out here looking like Frosted Flakes. Now, y'all can do what y'all want to do and say what y'all want to say. It might be against a sister lock rule to put moisturization in my scalp, but listen, honey, I'm black and my skin is dry, so I be needing moisture. And I'm not gonna let somebody tell me that I can't put moisture in my hair, especially if my loctician say that it's okay to do it. She said my locks ain't gonna slip as long as I don't put it directly on my locks, so I'll be straight. This here, I'm just showing y'all my baby locks in the front. Here go my edges. They wasn't long enough to lock, and that's fine. I'll just keep them swooped down. But yeah, like she was able to lock even this part, and I was surprised about that. This is usually part of my hair that I kept swooped down with the edge control too, because I didn't really like it. But this is actually cute. Like, it's giving everything that it's supposed to give. I really like them. And so yeah, y'all, this is me. And thank y'all so much for watching my channel. Yes, girl. See y'all next time.